Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. Honor 7A, Honor 7C smartphones launched in India. Huawei child brand, Honor has unveiled two new smartphones at a launch event in New Delhi today. The smartphones, Honor 7A and Honor 7C, are the company's first handsets to come with Snapdragon chipsets in 2018. The Honor 7C, which is a direct competitor to the Xiaomi Redmi 5 as it comes with Snapdragon 450 SoC. The Honor 7A comes with a 2-year-old Snapdragon 430 chipset. Both the smartphone feature dual cameras at the back, face unlock, fingerprint sensor and more. Honor 7C specifications. The Honor 7C is a direct competitor to the Xiaomi Redmi 5 in India, and it even comes with dual cameras at the back. It rocks a 5.99-inch HD Plus display with 18:9 aspect ratio. At the heart of the phone, we have the Snapdragon 450 chipset. Honor has launched two variants of the smartphone in India with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of onboard storage. A 13MP sensor is paired with a 2MP sensor at the back. To the front, there's an 8MP selfie shooter. Thanks to the secondary depth sensor at the back, Honor has added portrait mode as well inside the camera application. The phone boots Android 8.0 ARIA-based EMUI 8.0 on top. It also offers face unlock feature. A 3000 mAh battery fuels the entire package. The smartphone will be available in black, blue, and gold hues, exclusively on Amazon. Honor 7A specifications. The Honor 7A, on the other hand, is catered to the budget-conscious users. It has a slightly smaller 5.7-inch HD Plus display carrying the same 18:9 aspect ratio. The phone comes powered by the Snapdragon 430 chipset. Honor has launched only the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant in India, which also comes with dual camera setup at the back. A 13MP primary camera is paired to a secondary 2MP sensor. An 8MP selfie shooter is present on the front. Same as the Honor 7C, the Honor 7A also comes with a 3000 mAh battery and runs Android 8.0 ARIA-based EMUI 8.0. Both the phones offer 4G LTE, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and a micro USB port at the bottom. Honor 7C and Honor 7A pricing in India. Honor also partnered with telecom operator Reliance Jio, and both the Honor 7C, Honor 7A is part of Reliance Jio's Rs 2,200 cashback offer. As it already teased, the Honor 7A will be available on Flipkart, whereas the Honor 7C will be sold on Amazon India. The Honor 7C 3GB RAM variant costs Rs 9,999, whereas the 4GB RAM variant ships for Rs 11,999. The Honor 7A is priced at Rs 8,999 in the country. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.